Hello guys, welcome back. You are here with Code Purpose, and today we are going to do our 11th exercise, which says check how many letters are in between two given letters of the alphabet. Now we will need two parameters, which of course they will be of type char. We will need A and B. Now we will need to read them. Input two characters. Now we will write CNA and B. Now simply we will just start printing it. The difference between two letters is. Now I'm going to show you how this works. First we are going to go to our ASCII table, and we are going to find the value of character A. We are going to find the decimal value, which is 65. And now let's say, for example, we are trying to find the distance between A and C. And we are going to get the decimal value, 65, and we are going to subtract it by 67. Now, the next problem that we will have, that this will be a negative value. Now, what we are going to do, we are going to use our library CMath. We are going to use the ABS function, which is short for absolute value. Now, this negative value will turn into positive, and we will need to subtract it by 1, and we will get the distance between A and C. Now, let's start. First, let's input our library. And just type ABS A minus B minus 1. Now let's try it and give it some examples. Let's type A, B. The difference between two letters is 0. Another example. A, C. The difference between two letters is 1. Like we have it here, between A and C there is one letter in between. Now let's write between A and H. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 letters in between. A and H, 6 letters. There you go, guys. This is how we check how many letters are in between two given letters of the alphabet. Leave a like, don't forget to subscribe, and comment down below. Until next time.